Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to solve problem number 2626, that is array reduce transformation of 30 days of JavaScript challenge. So initially you will be given with an integer array nums, a reducer function fn, and an initial value in it. So you'll be given with three things, that is an integer array nums, a reducer function fn, and an initial value in it. So what you have to do is you have to evaluate this function fn for every element by sequentially passing in the return value from the calculation on the preceding element. So that is value equal to fn of, you are going to perform the function on initial value and nums of 0. Then you are going to take this value equal to, then you are evaluating the function for the preceding value, that is the value that you have evaluated over here, and nums1. Then for value equal to fn value of nums value comma nums of 2 until every element in the array has been processed. I hope the problem is clear to you. So let us walk through an example. So initially here you are given with a nums 1 2 3 4, and the function is sum of accumulator comma current. That is initially your accumulator will be 0, right? So that is they have given over here init equal to 0. So 0 plus nums of 0 is 1, right? So 0 plus 1 is answer is 1. Next, what is your current accumulator value now? It is 1, right? So 1 plus nums of 1, that is equal to 3, right? 1 plus nums of 1 is 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Then 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. So let's go through the example in detail. Let's say nums equal to 1 2 3 4, init value equal to 0. The function is a comma b, which is equal to a plus b. Start with init equal to 0. Apply the function to the first element, val equal to fn of 0 comma 1. So which is equal to 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. This 1 you are going to feed it to the next function as an accumulator. Apply the function to the second element, which is equal to val equal to fn of 1 comma 2, which is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then similarly apply for the third element by taking the previous val as an accumulator to this function, which is equal to val equal to fn of 3 comma 3, which is equal to 6. Apply the function, similarly apply the function for the fourth element, where val equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. The final value of val is 10. Now let us go through the solution. So initially you are creating a variable name reduce. Then you're taking a function named function with three parameters, that is nums, that is integer array nums. Then the second parameter fn, that is the reducer function. Then the third parameter is init. Then you're assigning this function to the reduce variable. You're creating a let variable named val, and this variable you're assigning it to the init. So this value, whatever there in the init, will be transferred to the val. Then you are creating a for loop for let I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. This is to traverse through the each element and evaluate the function. Then the val equal to fn of val comma nums of I. For each and every element you are going to evaluate the function and store it in a val. Finally, after applying the function to each and every element, you are returning the val. So the let keyword was introduced in ES6 2015 scope. Variables declared with let have a block scope. Variables declared with let must be declared before use, and variables declared with let cannot be redeclared in the same scope. I hope the problem solution is clear to you guys. Thank you.